With this video, we begin a series of lessons on Jewelry Cam 2. For the initial installation of Jewelry Cam, use my NS-CNC on www.nscnc.com. Sign in if you have an NS-CNC user account. If not, create an account. Log into your account. Here, you can find many different files that will help you get started with the program and on the machine. To get started, download Jewelry Cam 2 Installer and the additional toolbar files. It is vital that at the time of installation, your computer is supposed to be connected to the internet, and the Rhino program must be closed. Click buttons for automatic installation and start Rhino. Click Registration and create Jewelry Cam account. This is a different account than the NS account. The vendor code is NSCNC. To complete the registration, enter the confirmation code that was sent to your email automatically. Click Add Toolbar and install it. Now, Jewelry Cam is installed as a plugin on Rhino. If the menu and toolbar of the Jewelry Cam did not install automatically on your computer, this is not a problem. Go to the Rhino options, then Toolbars, and activate them for the first time. In the future, the menu and toolbar will load automatically. Now, you can arrange toolbars and menus as you wish. Now, Jewelry Cam 2 is completely ready to work.